Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on putting down LizardSkin and Raptor Liner on the interior of our Jeep. So we've had a bunch of issues with water leaks through soft tops, pretty common challenge with Jeeps on JKUs. So we have spent the last couple days going through and doing all the prep work. We have gone through and removed everything from the interior, all the seats, all the carpet. We've gone through we've scuffed up all of the paint, and then now we have also taped off everything that does not need to get get the liner put on it. So we've got all that there. Today we're going to be laying down our first coat of the LizardSkin sound barrier. So we'll lay the sound barrier first. That will cure for 24 to 36 hours. Then we'll lay down the LizardSkin heat barrier. That'll cure for 24 to 36 hours. And then after that, we'll lay down the Raptor Liner on top of that for extra protection. So a lot of work ahead of us today. We're excited. This should turn out really good. So thank you all very much for tuning in and following along with us. We appreciate it, and we'll see you guys out on the trail. Thanks.